kwabo kompumalanga kwempilo.
Mina.
Oh
yena.
Mina nna keta ko ha ko Nixdol kwabo kompumalanga.
Vele Tshego.
Maka.
Theo, ke maka.
Hayiwe, ngoba wena uyaqala ukukhuluma nami namuhla.
Ngiyaqala ukukhuluma nawe. Sikhuluma for real, Smiley. I know her from her kasi at Mpumalanga, that side, boy. I don't know that kasi because I'm always indoors, you know. Mara uyazi nje uthi why ungenza so in front of Smiley. Uyangazi, boy. Don't talk like you don't know me.
Okay, I know you.
Why uyenza ngathi
Ungamfuzi.
nami into ngifuna ukuyikhuluma nami. Uthi wayesiyenza ngathi ngiyamfosta uthi uyangazi.
Okay, umphostile ngiyakwazi na.
From
Mpumalanga.
Uyamfosta ubona. Uyamfosta ubona. Tshego, smile lapha. Smile lapha ngibona. Ngiclever wena. Uzikhuluma indaba zakho la. Ngikhuluma.
Khuluma.
Guys, one day. Sathana abantu Tshego. Sihlala le Mpumalanga. Inkinga nami nje ngivele ngaphathwa yisisu. Story for another day.
Ngibatshele mina.
Sitshele.
Ngitshela.
We wanna know. Ismail, o motlwile a re yena a re botsetsa o taba tsa hao.
Network ya hae ya borayo. Wena network ya hao.
Manga taxi yakho.
Yo.
Sitshele nawe. Yo.
Ya utlomphok.
Tlopokta. Amtshaba ko Poktan. That means udese mus. Soju. Theo. Can you please follow me? Boy. Thanks, boy. Now I think I'm gonna leave you with
Guys, it's in Mina. I'm going to work now.
Niti.
Okay.
So yeah,
Look, I'm going to work.